Happy holidays, everyone. Hi, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you have stopped by because you just saw someone posting on Christmas Eve, then welcome. I will be doing a Sephora mini haul. It's my birthday in December, and you know, I got suckered into, hey, what's my free gift? And then for them to send it to me, I purchased some other items. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. So, what's with the 3 boxes? One purchase, 3 boxes. Sephora, you trying to kill the earth here? I'm confused because I honestly, don't remember what I got. I remember slightly the free item for my birthday. I want to say it was a bronzer from Huda. I don't know. NARS maybe? I can't remember. And then the rest of the stuff, no clue. But what I do remember is it wasn't that much. It was like 40 bucks, I want to say. Maybe 50. It was like maybe 6 or 7. Nothing to warrant. And this box is heavy. 3 boxes. This one, by the way, came a week and a half after these 2 arrived. So enough with me guessing. And I guess just dive on in. So let me know how you're doing for the holidays. Are you finished with your shopping and wrapping and meal prep and all of that is the stressfulness of life to spend time with loved ones and family? What the oxymoron? It's like friends, family, love, shopping, traffic, money, it's a little polarizing. But I am officially done shopping. I got all my stockings. I just need to wrap my stockings now. And the gifts for my parents. Okay. What is in this first box? You are not going to believe what came in this box. And not in a good way. It's not like, oh my God, I got a diamond necklace. No, I mean, this, let me take it out of here. Teeny tiny black gel eyeliner came in this big box. Amazon does that. Come on, Sephora. Why you gotta do that? So, what is this? Other than a black eyeliner, it's the Sephora brand, which claims to be waterproof and retractable. I will put that to the test because I have yet to find a good waterproof gel eyeliner that can go on my upper waterline. I can blink 3 or 4 times and doesn't transfer to the bottom waterline. All right, let's move along to one of the other boxes. Well, deja vu. Not another black eyeliner, but another big box with 1 item in it. Who watching shop Sephora a lot? Honestly, I think this is the 2nd, maybe 3rd time in my life I've ever made a purchase from Sephora online, and it may be the last. Why do they just not get all the stuff and ship it at once? Well, I guess people don't like it like that. I don't know. I wish it was like Amazon where you could say, I care about the earth, therefore I'm not in a hurry, package them all up at once. Oh, I don't know. All right, what is this? Okay, so, yes, I could use this right about now. We have the Daily Clean Refresh, and this is also a Sephora. Oh, it's a brush cleaner. I'm so glad I read those words because I literally was going to take off the cap, test the spritzer, and put it on my face. All right, so we have Lazy Girl approved brush cleaner. Did I mention it's almost 10 o'clock at night while I'm filming this? All right, on to the beefier box. And by beefier, it's the same size as the first box, but it has some heft. All right, because where's all the other stuff? Where's my birthday gift? Let's start with the free stuff. So I got a perfume sample from Dior, and this is Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Ooh, let's see what she smells like. Oh, that's lovely. It's kind of floral. I am the worst at describing scents. I'm sure you all know what this scent smells like. By the way, the full-size bottle is beautiful. Interesting. So it says it has peony and rose, and then notes of Calabrian bergamot, and a lacework of white musk. I am shocked. I'm not picking up on the rose and that this scent is acceptable to me. All right, and the other perfume scent I got is from Bougie Versace, and this is the Eros. Why do I have a feeling this is a men's scent? Ooh, if it's a men's scent, I can put it in my husband's stocking. All right. I don't know if I can smell it since I already spritzed the other one. Yes, that smells like a men's cologne. All right. The other items I got were with my points, and it's much smaller in real life. So this is the Lancôme Bi-Facil makeup or eye makeup removing solution. I love this to pieces. It is super bougie, super expensive, and when I saw it was offered for points, I was like, yes, please. I thought it was going to be a little bigger than that. But hey, that will be great to throw in a travel bag if and when I ever can leave my house again. And then the other items I picked up with points is a dry shampoo. This is from Amika, and it's Perk Up. Ooh, I bet this is gonna, or I hope it smells really good. Yes, I don't know, because all I'm picking up on is the Dior and the Versace. Okay, now let's see what my birthday gift is all about. Yes, my memory served me well for once. This here is the NARS Laguna kit. I don't know, it says happy birthday on it. And honestly, I thought it was just going to be a bronzer. And I'm seeing there are actually two items. The world's smallest little lipstick. Ooh, what shade are you in? Okay. It's a little bronzier and darker than I would normally wear, but it's so tiny. I'll just, swatch it and, oh, it's way lighter than it looks in the tube. So much so, I don't even know if that will pick up. Okay, lovely. So this is more like a lip balm that looks like a lipstick. Yes. And then the world's little tiniest NARS product here. We have a bronzer, I believe. Yes, look at itty bitty. Let's turn it sideways so you can see the real color. I just learned yesterday when I was filming, when I hold it face forward, my lighting makes everything look 3 times lighter than actual reality. All right, so please be a decent shade. All right, it's a little warm. Oh, now all of a sudden the lip product's picking up. This right here, they go hand in hand. But you know what? It's a birthday gift. We got a really teeny tiny mirror. This too will be awesome to shove in a little makeup bag in my purse. For those moments where you get stranded and you're like, thank God I had a full face of makeup in my bag. I'm kidding, but not really. Let me know, what do you have in your little makeup bag? And I'm not talking your at-home makeup bag, the one that goes with you in your big bag, your purse, What is this? So this is a moisturizing body lotion, and it's in the scent Cherry Blossom. And I think I got this to be as a hand cream. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay, wow. In hindsight, this box or this haul or whatever you want to call it is full of lovely scents. They all smell really good. Maybe I was in a mood to get some stuff that smelled good, or maybe it was just dumb luck. That's crazy how many things smell really good. All right, next item. So this is from Sol de Janeiro. It is the Jet Set Kit, which I swear to God, I thought this product here was at least like 100 millimeters tall. So what comes in this kit is this guy here, which was the main reason I bought it. It's the Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 62. That is the main scent of their famous classic Bum Bum Cream. And speaking of Bum Bum Cream, that also came in the kit. Yes, I don't know about you, but I can sniff this for days. I love that scent. And if you have never smelled it, next time you're in an Ulta, Sephora, wherever, walk on over and find it. And it's just delicious. And then the last thing that came in that kit is a shower gel. This here is the Brazilian Foreplay. Oh my goodness. Is this going to have the exact same smell? If so, I'm going to be in heaven when I'm showering. Oh, it comes safety sealed. I think it does, but this room is smelling fantastic between the Dior, the Versace, and now the Cheirosa 62 scent is good in here. All right. Is that everything? No. One more item. This here is from the Inky List, and it's a vitamin B, C, and E moisturizer. Do I need a moisturizer? No. Do I have 8 million from all of the beauty subscriptions? Yeah, 8,000,001. But I've heard really good things about this brand, and it's an affordable brand. And I was, on there and wanted to try something that sold at Sephora. So, yes. Okay, so this does come safety sealed. I'm going to just put the cap back on because I'm not ready to crack into a new product just yet. It's got to get in line. All right, that's it. I just wanted to pop on really quickly. Wish everyone a happy holiday. Make sure everyone's doing okay and give you a little content. This is my birthday month. My whole life it's been happy birthday, Merry Christmas, which, world isn't about gifts, but if your birthday's in June, you get fantastic stuff, and then you get stuff at Christmas. I'm telling you, if anyone else is a December birthday, they know what I'm talking about. So what I've learned is just, treat yourself to your birthday. And that's what I did. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right. Merry Christmas, everyone.